Hey guys, welcome to MPAI Labs. I hope you are doing well. Image generator, it is changing drastically. So last week, I think 4 or 5 new updates came out. Quinn 2.0, along with Dream, they updated their imaging. That's like an Asian company, and trust me, it's amazing. Adobe Fly also pushing out for commercial safe AI along with ChatGPT 2.0, just beautiful, great. Basically, you can have a conversation with CT. That's mine. You can call it whatever you want, and it'll just rewrite your prompt from scratch. So easy, so simple. Ideogram is changing its way. It's adding more posters, ad thumbnails, you name it. It's great. If you do UGC, definitely check that out. And then Flux photorealism is amazing. And then of course Midjourney, very cinematic work, concept art, high resolution and creation. Okay, but I'm going to show you a platform instead of you just keep jumping from one platform to another. It's all in one, and according to your budget, hopefully everything should work out. We're just going to use the same prompt, and it's pretty simple. And I'll go over it. Basically, I want to see how each platform, is going to show, and the actual prompt is basically an Asian female. She's roughly around 24 years old. Very sophisticated, very beautiful, stunning, graceful. I don't want no distortion, no quality. She can also be like a high fashion model, like refined V shape. Yeah, so basically, if you want the prompt, definitely like comment. I might just give it to you anyways. But I'm going to share my screen. But first and foremost, definitely don't forget to sign up for a newsletter. It's free, guys. Okay. And don't forget to sign up or go to Facebook and just join our community. I think we're at 12,000 people now. So we're rocking and rolling. I give you tips. You can see other people's work in there. It's a very friendly environment because nobody is, fighting or anything like that. It's great. You learn so much there. Okay. So the first platform is going to be ours. It's Glimpixel. Once again, I'll share, but remember, each model is different because they're trained on different models. So therefore, it's going to look similar. It's not going to look exactly the same. Okay. Depending if you want, hyper realistic, you want high fashion, you want something that's super easy. Okay. You just have to figure out what look of an image that you are trying to go for. Okay. So this is once again Glimpixel. There'll be a link below for this. This is our platform, so I have to tell you that. Okay. So this one is more of a hyper realistic portrait of a stunning woman, very graceful, very intelligent. She has dark almond eyes, defined cheekbones, natural arch eyebrows, and black hair, very elegant. She's wearing a minimalistic, I can't say that word, a diamond earrings with a sleek black haltered neckline. So you see that, her skin is beautiful. This is a great portrait. So you're going to see something similar like that, okay? Once again, when you come here, okay, basically copy and paste your prompt here. You can enhance it, or you can just generate. If you don't like it, hit the enhance button, and it's very easy. But this is very, very elegant, and it's very bold. It's very strong and cinematic, so you can use her for whatever you're going to use her for. Okay, she can be your avatar for selling whatever. Okay, once again, this is Glimpixel.io. This is our platform. By the way, if you sign up, you get 250 free credits. Woo! All right. So the next one is, this is ChatGPT. Beautiful. She is stunning. Is refined. She looks like she is like a K-pop singer for real, or she's in a K drama. Basically it's the same prompt. Beautiful, almond eyes, stunning, eyebrows. Her hair, black hair, is pulled back, nice haltered shot. And once again, ChatGPT has stepped up its, imaging, and I have to say I am very impressed with that. So very easy and refined, and you can just speak to it. Okay, just have a conversation with this LLM once again. Okay, now next one is Dreamina. This one was a little different. I had to change it a few times, but she came out very stunning. So I just had to use an elegant Asian um, fashion model, age 25, refined V shaped face, almond shaped brown eyes with long eyelashes. So that came out very nice. Sleek hair, low sophisticated bun. It gave me four, but this is like the best one. So, Dreamina, it is part of, CapCut. So she came out stunning. If you're looking for this, the picture is very well balanced, and you can use her. Once again, her lips are very, very beautiful, gorgeous. Now, the next one is Leonardo. Okay, she's gorgeous too. Very defined, black hair. Same thing. I use I just copy and paste the prompt. Okay, so she's age 25. Refine the V-shaped. A beautiful almond eyes. Once again, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So if you want to use Leonardo, it's always going to be consistent. If you're looking for that consistent character, definitely use this. Okay, and if you sign up, okay, I think you get 150 credits. Not daily. You have to use it all up, and then come back. I forgot to tell you in Dreamina, I think you get also, I think roughly around 150, I'm not sure, of credits, but definitely you can sign up for free. Okay, so the next one is Ideogram. Okay, this I like because if you look at it, it's the same prompt, I copy and paste, but her skin looks so real. You can see, the little, like the pimples that she have. She has a birthmark here, a beauty mark, not a birthmark, a beauty mark here. Beautiful lashes. Look at her, defined eyebrows. Her hair is pulled back. Cute little, diamond stud earrings. Very real. You cannot tell me if I was not looking at this, it's AI, but very real. And I'm telling you, they upped it. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then the next one, I haven't done anything. So this is NIM. Okay. So you want to come to image, not video. Okay. And then you have a drop down arrow here. So on here, you have Flux. You have one, which is an Asian company. You have Dream. Remember, I told you about that. You also have Grok, and then you got GPT Image and Nano Banana. Okay, so we're going to let's use Dream. Okay, so all you gotta do is basically pick, here. It's going to cost me probably, is it 4 points? Yeah. 4 credits. Make sure this is image, and paste here. Okay, and this is my prompt. It's an elegant Asian female fashion model, age 25, refined, V-shaped face, almond-shaped eyebrows with long lashes. Basically she's gonna have a sleek hair. And then also have the negative: no anime, no low quality, no extra limbs, text, nothing like that. Once you put that in, all your prompt looks good. Just hit the blue arrow, and it's going to generate. Okay. So while that is going on, I can come back here and I go, you know what? I want to see what Juan's going to give me. By the way, Juan's is going to be 15 credits. So same thing. Okay. You can change models, And I think I have a basic, yeah, I think I have the basic plan here, and just, click that. By the way, this right here um, has done, here's the image, okay? And this is Sea Dream, gorgeous. She looks great, okay? I do like the lighting here. Her skin is flawless. So I might use her for, some type of UGC, but once again, long lashes, okay? Beautiful V shape, beautiful lips here. So yes, Sea Dream 4 is beautiful. So you can continue to play. You do CT. You can do. I don't know what Z image is. I haven't used that. And let's see. And then there's also Grok. Let's do Grok to see how that goes. Okay. So our second image is done. Okay. And this right here is by 2.7 Pro. Still beautiful. Beautiful lighting. Love the neutral lips. Okay. Once again, you can't go wrong with this, but you can tell that, I think it struggled with the ultra, supermodel look. So it's still elegant. Don't get me wrong, but, she's not what I'm looking for. And this is Grok, okay? Very nice. She looks like she can be in like Vogue magazine. So I do like that. She does have the V shape, okay? The lighting is a little bit different, but you can always edit that. So I wanted to show you how different image generators work, okay? So on NIM here, non-sponsored, okay? I think I have let's see what plan I have. Oh, I have the Pro plan. So my Pro plan is $14, okay? So you can start her at $7.25. It's up to you. Based on your budget, based on your budget, based on your budget, okay? So once again, you can come in here. You have 8 different image generator on NIM. It's worth it instead of just, going to, the actual website, in my opinion. So you can just change, between image generator. But overall, I have to say, ChatGPT did a beautiful, 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 beautiful image. So that's actually my number one pick. Notice I didn't pick mine, okay? But yes, you can see how well she looked. And depending on what look you are looking regarding this image, it's up to you. Play with it, okay? Most of these, platform are free. You just can sign up with your email, and just try it out. And then I want to tell you one more thing that you need to join. You don't have to, but be kind of nice. All right. So this is our Facebook family. It's called MPAI Labs. It's free. Okay. Just sign up, and you have different tips on here. I give you, weekly updates of what is going on. You can see other people's, work is on here. I just literally just, posted this 56 minutes ago regarding the image that I spoke about. I gave, the breakdown of exactly what you were looking for. So, yeah, definitely check that out. And if you want the more prompts or anything, just leave a comment and I will give it to you. Remember, stay kind, hydrate, and I'll talk to you later. Ja, what's today?